Hala ka mga Cubs! Tomorrow is D-Day! D-Day of puksaan! Wala mo ng kapatid-kapatid, wala mo ng Cubs-Cubs dyan, wala mo ng ka-18 dyan, wala! Huyo kayo sa akin ngayon. Cubs, pagbigyan nyo na ako. Oh my God! Pagbigyan nyo na ako. Kasi, it's gonna be my very first time watching them, and it's gonna be at the Philippine Arena. Talagang talagang will to ni Lord na hindi ko sila unang makita sa Bangkok, kasi dito pala talaga sa Philippine Arena yung first experience ko na concert ng SB19. Oh my God! Nakapilan ako. I am now queuing. Lord, nasa smtickets.com na ako. But you know what it says? Welcome to SM Tickets. Our system is currently serving a high volume of customers. You will automatically be forwarded once the slot when becomes available. Once the slot when becomes available. Parang wrong grammar. You will automatically be forwarded once the slot becomes available. Yun, SM. Oy, nako. Wala nang when. Kasi may once na kayo. There is no need to refresh this page. Thank you for waiting. Oh my God! I'm so excited. Okay, Caps. Mga Caps ko, what's your preferred tier? What's your preferred seat? Ako kasi, my preferred seat talaga is VIP seated. Yun talaga, yung preferred ko, kasi hindi ko kayang tita na ako, hindi ko na kayang tumayo-tayo dyan. At saka mosh pit, anong gagawin ko doon? Maliit ako na babae, 5'3" lang ako, so anong gagawin ko sa mosh pit? Baka paalang makita ko ng mga mahalima natin. Pero, my gosh, let's not give the scalpels the opportunity to actually buy loads and loads of tickets. So, kung tomorrow, kailangan nyo talagang makipagpuksaan. So, to avoid those scalpers talaga. Pero, Caps, baka masobrahan ako sa pagbili as well. Kasi, sa Pilipinas, I told my sister she has to queue as well, and I have to queue as well. She's gonna try to buy for a lower box A premium, and then I'm gonna try and buy the VIP seated. So those two. What if we both get the tickets? So there's gonna be 2 extra tickets, right? So if I get the VIP seated, then there will be 2 more extra tickets for the lower box premium. So baka baka ibenta na lang namin just the same price, kasi kailangan naming makasecure. Pero hindi ako nag-scalp, ha. This is not scalping. It's just like making sure that we get the tickets that we want. And tomorrow, baka pag-refresh wala na naman. Oh my God! I'm so excited. Tomorrow na talaga. I can't wait. Once the tickets are purchased, I'm gonna book my flight to the Philippines, and I'll see you in the Philippines, mga Cubs. I cannot wait. Oh my God. Alam nyo, even my feet and my hands now are actually really sweaty already because I am that nervous. What if? Oh, I hope SM Tickets would be able to handle the number of customers tomorrow, because right now, it's not even ticket selling yet, but they're already like this. They have this notice already saying that their system is currently serving high volume of customers. So, mga Caps, I'll see you guys, and I can't wait for my costume. Talaga magko-costume, my attire. Talaga mag-online shopping ako for attire. And you know what? Some of my friends here in China are already asking me if I could bring some stuff, because some of them won't be able to go. So kanya-kanya kami ng booking. So wala mo nang magkakaibigan. Wala mo nang magkakaibigan, kanya-kanya ng booking. So mga ka-Cubs ko, good luck sa inyo, and yeah, I guess I'll see you at the Philippine Arena. Probably I'm gonna be at the VIP seated with my sister, and or we will be at the lower box A premium. Yes! Oh my God! Good luck sa inyo lahat. God bless sa ating lahat. Is-sold out na natin to ng malala. Oh my God. Let's give it to SB19 and Onesie Entertainment because they really deserve this. Thank you so much, Mahalima. Thank you so much, Onesie Entertainment, for all of these. Ang mura ng tickets nyo. Lalo na sa international fan package, the global fan package, it's really good. It's just that my concern with that one is they didn't have the VIP seated. Yun yung concern ko. Gusto ko ng VIP seated. So tomorrow my sister is also gonna try the lower box premium. 9 a.m. and 12 noon. Let's see. Basta maaga na ako tomorrow. Andito na, ready na to eh. Ready na tong computer ko. So, tomorrow, naka-queue na tayo mga be. Good luck! So, mga kagabs ko, I'll see you at the Philippine Arena. Of course, may reaction pa ako before nyo ako makita sa Philippine Arena. Before ko makita yung Mahalima sa Philippine Arena, may mga reactions pa ako. May mga videos pa ako. So, see you on my next reaction video or whatnot. God bless, take care. This has been your Tita 18 Nika. Bye!